Can you say happy birthday, Tita Wa?
Happy birthday, Tita Wa.
Good job, like it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you sa lahat-lahat, tita. Sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin, lalo na sa akin, Liam. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo. Sana, tita, lahat ng plano mo, sana lahat ng wish mo ngayong birthday mo, sana matupad lahat ng yon. At para maging masaya ka. Sana masaya ka lang palagi, huwag kang magkakasakit. Lahat kayo dyan, mag-iingat ka palagi. Sana, tita Wa, sana maiyak ka. Sana maiyak ka ngayong birthday mo. I love you, Tita Wa. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday. Oh, ay, ganda pala. Ay, pango pala. Happy birthday. Wish you more years to celebrate. Oh, lala.
Hey, Tita Wa. Welcome to my vlog. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day.
Hello, Tita Wa. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and long life. Thank you for being a good tita sa amin, magpipinsan, at ingat palagi at sana bigyan ka pa nila ng maraming birthday at mahabang buhay at hindi ka magkasakit. I love you. Bye.
Hello! Babati po kami sa my birthday. Alam namin na may birthday dyan, may kainan, may celebration. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa iyo, Nora. We wish you good health and more blessing.
More. Basta more. Wala.
Happy birthday po, Tita Nora. Wish you all the best and many years to come po.
Happy birthday, Ate Nora. Sana mapapambuhay mo. Sana lagi kang malakas. Happy birthday.
See you!
See you!
See you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Wa.
Happy Mother's Day.
Tita Wa, let's go in action.
Happy birthday, Nora. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day, Nora.
Happy birthday, Lola.
I love you, Tita Wa. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day to you. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo, sana matupad lahat ng wish mo at sana lagi kang protektahan ng Panginoon sa araw-araw, lalo na pauwi ka sa trabaho. Pinapanalangin ko rin, Tita Wa, na bigyan ka ng mahaba at masaganang buhay. Thank you sa lahat ng effort mo at thank you sa lahat ng bagay na ginawa mo para sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ang sa akin ang pagmisulo kita Wa, kung pag wala ka, wala ako dito.
Ba't hindi ka na straight? Layo ka dito, ha?
Hello, Tita Wa. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Diyos dahil ikaw ay ligtas pag ikaw ay galing trabaho. At lagi kong dinadalangin ang kalusugan mo dahil wala namang papakain sa amin pag alam mo na, natigok na. Hindi lang namin napaparamdam sa iyo. I really appreciate you a lot from the start. Simula, yung hirap mo sa pamilya, yung tulong mo na walang katapusan. Alam mo, napakalaki ng puso mo. Nandito lang kami, tagagastos ng kwarta mo. Mahal ka namin. I'm always at your back. Salamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita.